So let's look at the search app. We know when we create a new Wagtail project, it comes with this home app and the search app. We look at the search app and there's already a templates folder with a search.html template file and a views.py. Okay, so let's look at how this works. Well, the search app will actually look through all of the indexed items. Okay, that's an important word here, indexed items in your Wagtail project, and will show them if they meet the criteria that you're looking for. Okay, so right now we have a page with a title of Home New Page 2. And by default, the title or the pages that you create that inherit from page will be indexed. Okay, so we go over to search. It's going to be localhost 8000/search. This is already built in with any Wagtail project that you create. Okay, let's say we want to look for a home. Okay, we search and it comes up because it matches our criteria. This query equals home, will go through all of our indexed items and return a list of them. Okay, and we click on here and it takes us to our home new page. Okay, with the heading and the picture, just like we know, because we go over to this edit and this is the stream field. Okay, so this is the data from this specific page. Okay, so now that we know that, let's go over and see what it looks like under the hood. Okay, so we have our search.html, and this is what we're seeing. We see this search form with a method get, and we have a name query input, which is what we're putting, which is why when you run and you submit, you see that query in your URL because it's a get parameter that you're inputting into this form and submitting. Then it's going to go and give the search results, and we'll have a page URL to the result. So this will actually display the result and give a link to the URL of that result, which is why when we saw the home page view, we were able to click on it and go over to the actual page. Okay, and then we go over to our views.py, and this is where it really is, happening, where it'll look through all of the search results and it'll display them. Okay, so it has a search query. This is just a function-based view, right? It has the request search query, and it's going to get the query that we typed in by request.get.get. Okay, if there is a search query, it's going to get the search results, and it's going to search all of them using this search method for all the pages, and then it's going to create this query. Okay, or it's going to get the query, which comes from this wagtail.search.models importing query. Okay, so then if there aren't any search results, then it's just going to have page.objects.none, right? Because there's no search results. And it's going to render with these two context items, search query, and it's going to give the search query object and the search results, which will be the search results object. Okay, so this is the search query and this is the search results. Okay, and then it'll change the search results here based off of a paginator. Okay, so it's kind of a lot, but just so you know, under the hood we can see it. We can see this search results, right? Because this is being sent in for the context variable search results. So if there are search results, it's going to list them. Otherwise, no results found. Okay.